So it's just a city commute from the last trip. So I didn't wash the bike because I am hoping it will rain. It is sunny today, so I'm hoping it will rain and hopefully it will all clean. But that's the beauty of an adventure bike. Doesn't matter even if it is so like dirty and stuff, because that's how it should be. So today we'll be going to a place which will be something unique. So let's start with that. Hello, namaste, kamasta, and marhaba. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing fine. Today we are going towards Valachil, or also known as Adyar, which is offbeat. I am taking the offbeat road. As you know, we will not go to the same routine road what we usually take. There, as you can see, my new raincoat, which is fluorescent, which is quite visible, places when it's raining. This is a short trip, so it should not be. The place is in Mangalore itself, so it should not take much time. Maybe 30 minutes only. Explore. I want to show you a surprise. I will show you some place, a rare surprise in Mangalore. It's a waterfall. It's a hidden waterfall. Not many know about it. So let's explore and see the waterfall. Right now we are in Nantur Circle. The bike is quite dirty. I hope it will rain so that the bike can be cleaned a little bit at least. So this place is only active, you can say active waterfall during monsoon season, which is right now. Lots of rain will result in a lot of water, and that water you can see in the as a waterfall, which we will love to see now. It's going to be 11-kilometer ride, total 11 kilometers from Mangalore. See, this raincoat is quite an eye catcher, actually, quite an eye catcher. Everybody is looking at the raincoat because it's obviously on the highway. It's very nice. You are quite visible to the during the rain, and Mangalorean rains are quite heavy. You will not be visible at all if you're wearing something like a black or some other kind of cloth. So this raincoat will be quite visible. I got the idea in one of the vlogs when we are going to Holy Hill Church. I saw one guy wearing this raincoat, and I was like, wow, it's nice and nice visible, which is very good for the safety. So that's the reason I bought this one. It's from Raida. It's not a sponsored advertisement, but I'll put the link in the description. If you want to buy, you can go for it. It will help me a little bit. And that's the main intention, to be quite visible, ride in safety, and at the same time not bother others. Keep your lane, keep your peace, keep your patience, and ride. There you go. So there are quite few places in Mangalore. Right now all the places are closed. Everything is closed. Everything is closed right now because of the monsoon rains. So all the places which are offbeat, there's a high chance of mudslide. So everything is closed. So we are trying to I'm trying to give you a vlog every week, just so that we cover something or the other, because I know many people are waiting. People have reached out to me and told me that they're waiting for the vlogs on every Sunday. So that's the intention. I don't want to disappoint anyone. Okay, currently I have only 150 to 200 views, and on average. But even then, those are my very good followers. So I don't want to disappoint them. So I will post, even if there is one viewer, I will still post for them. That's the intention. Our aim is to enjoy the ride, showcase you the beauty of all the nature has to offer in India as of now. Future we will see. We are going towards Vamanjur. I'm taking the offbeat road. I'm not taking the usual road. There is a shorter way from here. Okay, there is a shorter way, but I'm not taking that road. I'm taking this road because this is much better. Ooh, look at that banyan tree. We are climbing a little bit. This is the beauty, you know. This is what I love about riding is you can actually smell, you can actually see, you can feel the variations. You can feel that you as if you're walking and experiencing the whoop. That's a nice view. That's a nice view over there. Very nice view. Okay. Let's see, still going up. Around 6.8 kilometers more to go. Roads are quite nice. Okay, it's you cannot say like Karkala nice, but it's okay, manageable. ADV can manage that. Cows on the road. But good thing about cows, if you remember one thing about cows, they will never back up. Okay, they will never walk back. So if the cow is walking, just follow the back route, and that's how it is. They will never go back. Look at this point view. Wow. Now this is something as if we are going in Ghat section with the views and everything. That's not bad. Ooh, nice. Nice. This is what I long for. This is what I want to show you all. Is this. Now we are exploring here in this Neer Marga area, and this is something not many people know about it. It's a touristy off path. Okay, I don't want to spoil the serenity of that, but I will give you a clue where it lies. Okay, which place it is. Smells so nice. Smells like some kind of flowers. And fresh soil. Comment if you want to know the exact location. Just comment it and I will reply back to you personally. 21 number bus. 21 number bus. 21 number bus. To go 2.1 kilometers to go. Totally 2.3 kilometers. The time right now is 1:52, almost 2 p.m. Sunday. Beautiful. Beautiful road. Now this is something, it's so nice to go. Empty roads on a Sunday, that's why I prefer Sunday. Nobody in the road. मेरे ಒಂದು waterfalls ಕೂಡ ಬೋರು ಅಂಜಿ ಬೋದು ಲೆಫ್ಟೇ ಹಾಂ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಬೋದು ಹಾಂ ಅಲ್ಪನೇ ಹಾಂ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ oh okay thanks. That's the place, I think. That's the place. Yes. Club river view. Let's check if there is any vehicle. That's a nice view. Oh, that's a nice view. Oh, there's a lot of tourists here. Let's go from here. Can be done. Oh, that's a good view to take a photo. In fact. So that's the view, guys. There's a 30-minute walk. If I go from there, I think I can get a good shot from there. Let's do it. Yeah, that's better. Let's take some video. So this is the spot, guys. So that's the view. That's the Waterfall view. Let's go now there. We will go. We park the bike over there. Lot of parking. So let's go and see how it is. So seems like a lot of tourists have know about this place. So let's see there. So that's how you go. Quite slippery. Oh man, this is something. Some guys are going, we'll follow them. Very slippery. Let them go. Yeah, my shoes is not so good for this kind of things. It's biking shoes. Not quite slippery though, but it's, this shoes is not the right shoes. So we are going with these two folks. Don't come here with biking shoes. Try to have like, you know, trekking shoes or something like that. Is more comfortable. Never in slippers or Crocs. It's all green. Quite nice place. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Ooh. This is really something. So nice. Very slippery. Across the stream. People are coming down on the climb.
Guys, welcome to Adyalis. Hi guys.
Nice weather for this. No sun, no rain. I think it's about 30 minutes only. 30 minutes of walk. Manageable. I can hear the sound. Ooh, this is quite steep. Let's try. Slippery as well. So I don't think elderly can come through here. Quite slippery. The shoes has good grip. Very steep. Where did they go? So I'm asking them, where is the falls? So, wow, that's a scary place. It's a hidden waterfall. Apparently, people found it already. It's nice. Look, a lot of positive energy. And you can already hear the waterfall. So I'm wearing my Into the Wild t-shirt, one of my favorite shirts. See ya. So the water flow is very high because of the monsoon. It had rained a lot. So water will be high. Should be very careful here because slippery. Let's do it. Quite slippery. Need to be extra careful here. Don't want to slip. There's the fall over there. The people on the top. So let's go down there and see what people are doing. Okay, this is the view. The waterfall. Let's wash it up. At least. So here we go, the waterfall. The water is flowing fully, and we are sitting here and just relaxing. A lot of people are there, a lot of friends are there, I will just show them. I made some new friends. So there you go. That's the view. Okay, everyone, I'll enjoy here for a few minutes, perhaps 1 hour. So that's all for this vlog. I hope you liked it. If you did, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and all those things. Okay, thanks everyone again, and hope to see you in the next vlog. Bye.